employability is also very important when you think of pursuing a course. And from what I have seen, my personal experience, and I've seen my colleagues also, it guarantees you 100% employment. And from what I've read in the newspapers and through my media friends, I've learned that CAMA basically earns more by about $34,000 when compared to non-certified professionals. So that is a very big amount by which you can have a difference with other professionals. And now I would just want to have a brief talk about the vision that the IMA incorporates. It basically talks about developing and certifying and connecting and supporting the professionals from various parts of the globe. So this is the core concept of or the vision of IMA, and it has a huge passion for its fellow members, and it helps them every which ways in terms of employability, in terms of references, in terms of material, in terms of collaborating with other institutes, because as Varun has also said that we have collaborated with the Institute of Cost and Works Accountants, which is now called as ICAI, and they offer you a ICAI certificate or ICAI qualification, say, if you write your exams outside India. So this is a very important thing, and it gives you a huge career advantage. And especially, I think, if you have it as a secondary qualification, even as a primary qualification, it is obviously important, but if you have it as a secondary qualification, it is very, very important. And employers just jump onto you and they just catch you and employ you in their organizations. And we since have developed this Institute of Management Accountants of India and have started this in India, we have our motto of helping students now, the prospective students. And I see a lot of scope in this, because I see a lot of students who ask me and ask, I'm sure Varun and other people also, as to what are the prospects of finance and accounting professionals. And I think, we are going to help the students in a big way. We have a lot of programs. IMA Global is also going to help us out. From their previous experiences, we are going to learn and implement those things. We have a common platform now, which was not there before. So now it is going to be helpful for the students as well as for fellow members, and who can have their doubts clarified. Everything can be done from a common platform. Basically, it is a professional thing which has come up now. So I hope this thing works out well, and all of us support this venture thoroughly. And I wish everybody best of luck. Thank you.